Okay, children, let us continue from the previous class. Before that, good morning to everyone. So, children, we are doing exercise 4G. In the last class, I have sent solutions of 3, 4, 5th and 6th solution also. 6th solution, I haven't explained you in the video. But thinking that by looking at the steps which I have sent to you, you will come to know how I got the steps. So if any doubt in the 6th solution, you can text me. You can send a message saying that in so and so step I have a doubt. So let us start 7th question, children. Word problem on fractions. In an ORCAD, 3 types of trees are there. Out of 3 types of trees, 2 types of trees are given in the form of fractions. One type of tree given in directly in how many numbers? How many number of trees are there given directly in the form of number? 2 type of trees given in the form of fractions. Which those 2 types of trees given in the form of fractions? These 2. 1/3 of trees are banana. In the farmhouse, you can say in the farmhouse, or in small garden, in a forest, or you can say in the field, right? 1/3 of a ORCAD total place occupied by guava trees, not banana, I'm sorry. 1/3 is guava trees. Next part, 1/8 part of a trees are banana trees. 1/3 is guava trees, 1/8 is banana trees, and one more trees are there that is not given in the form of fraction, that is directly given, that is rest star mango trees. How many rest star means? 117 mango trees. This is directly given, 117 mango trees. Guava 1/3 of total land, banana trees are 1/8 of total land. Children, as we are done in the previous sums, same steps will follow. Let us convert this mango trees in the form of a fraction which is not given. How will we get? Let us write part of guava trees. Part of a guava trees is given 1/3. Part of banana trees is given 1/8. With this we can find out a part of mango trees. How? Part of mango trees. How much part it occupies? Tell me. Mango trees, how much part it occupies? Part of one whole part of that forest, that land, minus guava tree and banana tree. If you do, we will get the part of mango tree, correct? Whole land minus guava tree and banana tree. By that we will get part of mango tree. That is what? One whole land minus 1/3, that is guava, and so if you do this, that is this part is guava and banana tree part. One whole land, if we subtract this, we'll get part of banana trees. So now 1 minus, so LCM is 24, 3 8s are 8 3s are 8 1s are 8, 3 1s are 3. So 1 minus 11 by 24. 1 minus 8 plus 3, 11 by 24. Again, there is subtraction in between. Fraction is there. Take LCM again, 24. So 1/24s are 24. 1/24s are 24. 1s are 24. 24 1s are 24 minus 11 1s are 11. When you subtract 24 minus 11, you will get 13 divided by 24. Children, mango tree. Of course, it is given in the form of numbers 117. But to get the total number of trees, I need this mango trees in the form of fraction. So this is 13 by 24. Now we can write 13 by 24 of total number of trees is given, children, 117. This 117 are mango trees. How will get this? How much it is? This is 13 by 24 of total land. 13 by 24 is the part of the mango trees. How many? 117. Both are equal now. 117 is total number of trees. This is also total number of mango trees, but in the form of fraction. 13 by 24 of total number of mango trees. As I said in the previous class, of means multiplication, total number of trees we will write as it is, and this 117. Only I have changed it off to multiplication. Now next steps you know already, children. This part will go to the right side, 24 will go to numerator, 13 will come to the denominator. That will get total number of trees. Total number of trees equal to 117, copied as it is. This left hand side part, 24 when I take to the right side will go to the numerator, and 13 when I take to the right side it will come to the denominator. Cancel this. 13 ones are 13, 13 ones are 13, 13 nines are 117. So multiply this 9 and 24. 24 nines are 216. So total 216 trees are there, children, in the orchard. Children, let us go to the 8th question. This question is very simple. In a school, total number of absentees are given and total number of present on that day is given. So total number of absent is given in the form of a fraction. 1 by 25th of a children are absent. Absent is given in the form of fraction, but present in the form directly given. 720 students were present. Present is given in the form of number. Absent is in the form of fractions we got. First step is what, children? First step is part of a children who are absent, 1 by 25, and part of a students who are present. We should find out the part of present side of present also. How many students are present? That part in the form of fraction we should find out first. Okay. Part of a children who are absent is given 1 by 25. Now we should find out how many part of the student, part of the students, you can say children, students is mentioned in the question. So part of the students who are present. How to find out present strength, children? Whole strength of the school, correct? Whole strength of the school, that is 1, minus how many absent? Minus how many absent? Whole strength of the school minus how many children are absent, we will get part of the students who are present. So 1 and 25 LCM is 25. 125 is 25 ones are 125 is 25 minus 1 ones are 1. 24 divided by 25, part children are present. 24 by 25 part of the students are present. If these many are present, we should find out now 24 by 25 of total number of students. Total number of students. It is given, children. This part of total strength is how much? 720. Because this is a part, how many are present? These many are present. 24 by 20, 24 by 25 is what? How many are present? So 720. 24 by 25 part of a children, of total children, means 720. Continue with the same steps. 24 by 25 of means multiplication. Total number of students equal to 720, copied as it is. So we want this total number of students equal to 720 as it is copied. This left side 24 by 25, when I take to the right side, 25 will go up and 25 will go up because this is there in the denominator. 24 numerator, this will come down. So 24 are table, 24 ones are and 24 threes are 72 and 0 kept as it is. So multiply 30 into 25. So you will get 750. Total strength of the school. Total number of students in the school is 750. Out of that, 720 are present and absent are 720 means 30 are absent. Right? Okay. Children, last question of the exercise is very easy. It is very easy to do. Everyone will do this. See, product of three numbers is, let me write, product of three numbers. Don't know. In the first line, don't know. Product of three numbers means multiplication, no? One number, second number, third number. Product of three numbers is given. Is means answer. 7 is to 1 by 2. Is means answer. Right? Till here understood. If two of them are, means two of them are given. How much? One is to 1 by 7. Okay, first one is given. And second one is also given. That is how much? 3 is to 3 by 4. Oh, very good. Means if two of them are 1 is to 1 by 7 and 3 is to 3 by 4, two values are given. Find the third. We don't know. Let it be x. Find the third number. Let it be x. So this is how we will write in the mathematical equation by reading the question. Important step. First step is okay. Now let us convert these all into improper fractions. 7 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 8 by 7. 3 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 15 by 4. Into x equal to 7 to the 14, 14 plus 1, 15 by 2. All these three mixed fractions are converted to improper fractions. Okay, next is what, children? Multiply these two. 120, 18 5s are 8 15s are 120, 7 4s are 28. Multiplied numerator and multiplied denominator. Right? Into x equal to 15 by 2. Now I want x equal to 15 by 2. I will write it as it is. This part I will take to right side. 28 will go to the numerator. When I take left side to right side, 120 will come to the denominator. Now cancel the numbers, children. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 15 ones are 15, 15 eights are 120. Right? Now 2 sevens are 14, 2 fours are 8, 15 ones are 15 eights are 4 and 8 are left, 14 and 8s are left. So 2 sevens are 14, 2 fours are 8. So numbers left are what? 7 ones are 7, 1 fours are 4. This 7 by 4 we can divide and we can write this in mixed fraction as 2 is to 4 2s are 4 ones are 4, 7 by 8 I cannot subtract, no 4 2s are 8, it is not possible. So 1 is to 3 by 4, 3 will go up 4. 1 is to find the third number is 1 is to 3 by 4. Children, this is the end of this exercise 4G. Almost all solutions are done by me, explained by me, videos are sent. Please watch them repeatedly. Kind request is, if you are not understood, once again click on the link, watch it again and look at the steps. Both at a time should be done, listening and looking at the steps. Both should be done at a time. And you practice these solutions minimum 2 to 3 times in your rough notebook. Solutions you do it in your notebook, one solution 2 to 3 times. Then only you will feel these solutions very easy. Okay, thank you.